Hello everybody, this is Madina Maidin here. Today is the 6th of October 2024. It's just past midnight where I am. I bought this Bear Electric Health Kettle and I thought I should just unbox this in front of you guys. So I'm gonna do just that right now. Okay, so before I do that, just let me give you a brief idea of what is this kettle about. Well, anything important on the box? Apparently there are 16 functions and it has a wide range of cooking capabilities. Okay, the heating plate apparently is, I think it's patented or it is or whatever that is. Okay, and the capacity, it is a 1.5 liter kettle or a jug. Over on this side of the box, you can see it is a cordless jug, and the glass body is made of borosilicate. It is a borosilicate glass body. It has many functions, as you can see from the plate, and the heating plate is stainless steel. So apparently it heats up fast. It is ISO certified, and it also comes with 24 months warranty. Now there is a barcode there. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. Over on this side you have the specs of the specifications of the kettle. You have the model number, which is YSH-D15V7. You have the voltage, which is 220 volts. Power 800 watts, capacity 1.5 liters again, and the color is white. You also have the safety mark. Alright, let's unbox this right now. Okay, let's start unboxing this and take out the items. Okay, we have the base here. And we have the lid. Here. This is the instruction manual. It's a thank you card. That's cute. So if you have any problems, any feedback, there is a customer care line here, and there is an email address too, no website address too. Thank you for your purchase. You're welcome. Some stickers. They have this scale remover. It's powder. Now I don't really use scale removers, When it's done, when the product is about done, I just replace it. Nowadays, products become obsolete really quick. This is the jug, 1.5 liters. There's a note in there. Tips. Before use for the first time, please use household detergent to clean up the container. Remove the scud before use. Okay, so that's that. Okay, let me clear this up, arrange them and show you the pieces again. So just be sure that there is nothing in the box. Yep, there's nothing in the box. I've removed the styrofoam boards which were in there to pack, by the way. So okay, I bought this for under 50 bucks, so I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Let me just go through. This is the tips from the kettle. This is the scale remover. Okay, we have the thank you card here, some stickers, and of course the manual, the instruction manual. Okay, just look at the function table. Everything is in English. I think there is a Mandarin version of this, so just be careful when you make the purchase, because if you can't read, then that will be a problem. Okay, we have the jug here with a minimum of 0.5 liters, so there is a minimum here, and 1 liter. Otherwise, I think there's an auto shut off. When the jug overheats, it shuts off immediately. Yep. And this is 1 liter. This is the 1 liter mark, and this is the 1.5 liter mark. Okay, from this point forward, I'm going to make sure that I drink lots of hot water, herbal tea and stuff. I'm going to make all sorts of stuff for both puja and for my own health purposes. Okay, I bought this because of the easy maintenance. You know, I don't like stuff that is difficult to maintain. This is very, very simple. You know, after cooking, you just have to wash the jug and this lid. It is super easy. So let me just show you the lid again. So it is super easy, and you can make a variety of items in this. Alright. So take a look at the functionalities, the pre-programmed items: boiling water, coffee, hot milk, sterilized, dessert, white fungus, flower tea, fruit tea, blending milk, porridge, boiled eggs, herbal tonic, soup, steaming, boiled noodles, and to keep warm. Okay, that's a display for temperature and the function. It's a digital display. So overall, it's an awesome purchase. I'm going to put it to use and see how it works. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Have a good day.